Hello, it's Jack with Baker Tech Services, back with another video here. Staying on that Trend Micro email security topic. Uh, this video will be touching on the end user digest emails. Depending on your organization, those might be set up for weekly occurrence, a daily occurrence, or multiple times a day. Many of our customers receive it at least once per day, just to for a list of emails that may have gotten caught in their quarantine box. So this is just another layer of protection to give you a warning of just telling you in advance that there's something about this email that the server didn't like. So you really should check twice before opening any links or those kinds of things. And it's also to help prevent spam. So depending on the occurrence, you should see an email that just looks like this. The email might be a little bit different in your case. It all depends on your setup. So if you read through this, just do not forward the message, just a very important security thing as well. So if we look in here, you can read through and you could say, this is a important email to me, or appears to be based on the sender and the subject. So that'll give you a couple options, again, depending on the setup that we deemed to be the most secure for your organization. So more likely than not, you're just going to want to use this deliver function if you would like to see the email. So we can see the email came in, we can hit deliver. That's just going to open up a book thing, and boom, there we go. Just like that, we should see that email roll through. And you can do that the same type of setup for the rest of them. We have the configuration set up for deliver and approve sender. So say there's a repeated sender that keeps getting blocked by the server. It is a good measure to have that in there. It's also quite important that you use this sparingly, as you want to ensure and be confident that you are indeed getting the right sender and that it's not impersonation or any other kind of phishing email. Approved sender domain is another one you'll have to be very careful with. Many of our clients, we have that disabled just for the sake of the demonstration here. I believe I have it enabled. But the approved sender domain would be, for instance, our @bakerts.com. You could approve everybody throughout that entire organization who emails you to be approved. Where that can get a little bit dangerous is if the ending domain was say at gmail.com or at yahoo.com, because you could let quite a few bad actors through. Most of the time, yeah, that one we do have disabled for many of our tenants, but there are select cases that is used. And then block sender, you're also going to want to use sparingly. If you know it's something either malicious or quite a nuisance that you don't want to receive emails from, you can use that block sender functionality. Otherwise, if you just ignore it, it's just going to sit in your quarantine for the set period of time, and then it'll expire out of there and be deleted. So if you do have no action at all, you'll still be secure. Thanks for joining and watching the video. Um, enjoy the rest of your day.